Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Cash App in Canada. Cash App is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money instantly. To get started, you will need to download the Cash App from the App Store on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name and email address. You will also need to link your debit card or bank account to your Cash App account. This will allow you to add and withdraw funds from your account. To send money using Cash App, simply enter the amount you want to send in the email address or phone number of the recipient. You can also add a note to the payment to let the recipient know what the payment is for. The recipient will receive the funds instantly and can then transfer them to their bank account. To request money from someone using Cash App, simply enter the amount you want to request in the email address or phone number of the person you are requesting from. The person will receive a notification and can then send you the funds. One of the key features of Cash App is the ability to invest in stocks and buy Bitcoin. To do this, you will need to verify your identity by providing some additional information such as your date of birth and social insurance number. Once you have verified your identity, you can then use the investing feature to buy and sell stocks and Bitcoin. It is also important to note that Cash App has some fees associated with using the service. There is a fee for instant deposits and a fee for using the investing feature. However, there are no fees for sending or receiving money using the service. In addition to the app, Cash App also offers a debit card that can be used to make purchases online and in-store. The debit card is linked to your Cash App account and can be used anywhere that accepts Visa. Overall, Cash App is a convenient and easy-to-use service that allows users to send and receive money instantly. By following these steps, you can get started with using Cash App in Canada and take advantage of all the features and benefits it has to offer.